Ladybird deed. What is it and should I have one? It's also known as an enhanced life estate deed, and it allows you to transfer ownership upon your death to another person, a trust, or an entity. So let's talk more about that. If you have a ladybird deed, it's kind of like a beneficiary for your house. So it allows the grantor, which would be you in this case if you decide to do it, to designate who you want to inherit your house after your passing. And so during your life, you're allowed to own the home as you normally would and carry on business as if you didn't have this ladybird deed. This means that you can sell your real estate, refinance, or transfer it to someone else during your lifetime. And after your death, it would go to this entity, person, or trust. So the benefits are so profound because it allows you to buy and sell your real estate as you typically would without having to get the permission or authorization of another person like you would in, for example, a quitclaim deed if you deeded someone onto your house in that fashion. So it's very fascinating. It also has the ability to prevent probate, at least for your house, and would allow you to potentially have benefits of Medicaid because you already have the deed transferred out of your name through a ladybird deed. But for that, you'll want to talk to an elder law attorney. However, one of the other benefits of a ladybird deed is it helps preserve your house's exemption should you need Medicaid later in life for nursing home care. And not everyone is going to need this. This is a very important and personal question, as well as knowing and wanting a ladybird deed. So for this and other questions, you're going to want to contact an elder law attorney. You can get a referral from the Oakland County Bar Association in Michigan, or Nicole at Family Aging Law Center is who I got a lot of information from reading her blogs and learning about what is a ladybird deed and the pros and cons of it. So for all of this and more, you can contact again the Oakland County Bar Association or Nicole. I hope this video is extremely helpful to you, and please share it out to others who are interested in deciding should they do a ladybird deed to transfer their property in Michigan? Should they do a quitclaim deed? What are the differences? And so thank you so much. This is Dawn Connors at Mortgage One, providing you fantastic mortgage solutions. Ladybird deeds, what are they and should you have one? It's also known as a life estate deed, And a ladybird deed allows you to transfer ownership during your lifetime to a person, a trust, or another entity of your choosing. So, more news about a ladybird deed. Okay, that's ridiculous.